Gemini K up in here.
There is something on your mind.
So I'm doing my eyebrows with this black powder real quick. With this on, my face is gonna be flossing. You know I'm bossing. Gotta get my eyebrows on fleek, freak a leak. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, it looks good. So I continue to do my makeup. So gotta concentrate to do these straight lines. So we're just touching this up real quick. And just wow. So what do we have here? Some concealer. Yes, putting this on my eyebrows real quick. Oh no, my eyelashes. I'm sorry. Not even eyelashes, eyelids. So now a little bit of dab, dab, dab. Not the dab that I like, but okay. So we got some beautiful colors right here. What y'all think? Guess we're going with a little bit of silver. Now you gotta have the gangster looking eyeliner. And what can I say? Just beautiful, beautiful. And now we got some liquid makeup. A little bit here, a little bit there. And brush, brush, brush away. And a little miss, miss, miss. A little bit of dab, dab, dab to blend it in. So now we got this mascara to put on. What? Just amazing.
It's fun, yeah.
And now she's baking. Not the baking that I like, not the brownies that I like. But yeah, she's baking this beautiful face. Now we're gonna put some of these cheek shadows on. Make it look real nice. We're gonna shimmer her up with this shimmer brush. Real nice brush, by the way. And let's even that out, baby. Now we got this black pencil to darken this beauty mark. Now she's painting these beautiful lips that I love. Oh yeah. And you guys know I'm a lucky dog. Lucky dog. Look at that. Beautiful. Just fucking beautiful.